Oh, hello. Now here's the hopefully last maiden for the F-117 SeaHawk, and yes, I have made a lot of changes, and I show you later, but now we have to see if it flies. It's very windy today. In the middle of Germany we have 15 kilometer of wind, and it's 3 degrees. It's very cold, and hopefully we can fly. Okay, now my daughter assisted me, and we hope we can fly. The CG is right 10 millimeter before the crease here, and hopefully we can fly. Okay, what have I changed? I changed the elevator, I changed the outlets, I changed the stabilizer and a longer nose, and hopefully that thing would fly. Hinter den Zaun. Okay. And yes, it worked so well. Beautiful one. Bit of elevator trim up.
30 seconds.
Good wind. Beautiful bird. Lot of wind. 70% throttle. 100. And let us see what we can do. Roll rate is good. And against the wind we make a loop. Nice one. And this wind flies very comfortable, and
1 minute and 30 seconds.
now, Kyle, we fixed everything, and I think it's a very good bird, and it's looking so beautiful. It's easy to build, and yes, Twin40, and I use FRSky 2200 right in the nose, and I have weights in the nose around 40 grams, and the overall weight without lipo is around 480 grams. Now I come in for the landing. A little bit too much wind. Landung, mein Schatz, ja? Okay. Now, I think it's right. You want? Okay. Good one.